Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit 2 as the story of Saira. Today is lecture 2 under the title of grammar. We learn about masculine and feminine. We'll cover page number 18 of your book. Previously in your grade 1 lecture 2, I taught you about masculine and feminine. I hope you remember the concept, and we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO to identify gender of naming words from immediate environment, masculine, feminine. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in Surah An-Naba, verse 8, and we created you in pairs. Yes, my dear children, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning Allah has created living things in pairs. What does pair mean? Like a male and a female. This is how their generations move on. So we will learn about males and females, masculine and feminine in today's lesson. I hope you remember I taught you naming words refer to person, place and thing. Do you remember? And we categorize things into living things and non-living things. If this naming word refers to a place, it does not have any gender. If this naming word refers to a non-living thing, it does not have any gender. Now the rest are person and living things. So person have gender. And what does gender mean? A male and a female. Likewise, for living thing, there are genders, a male and female. So we call it masculine and feminine. Masculine naming words are for men, boys and made animals, while feminine naming words are for women, girls and female animals, right? For example, prince is a male naming word for a person, and princess, it's a female naming word for a person. So it's masculine and it's feminine. Lioness, it's a female naming word for an animal. Lion, it's a male naming word for an animal. So it's feminine and it's masculine. This is how pairs are there. Now let's see what your book says about it. Open your book on page number 18. What do they say? Look at the pictures and write feminine of the given gender. Yes, my dear children, now you are clear with the concept masculine and feminine. So masculine are the naming words for males and feminine are the naming words for females. So there are masculine are mentioned here, and you have to name the feminine in the given space. All right, are you clear with the concept? If you have any problem, raise your hand, discuss with your teacher, but don't try to jump to the conclusion. What I suggest teachers, kindly make sure before doing this exercise, the students are clear with the concept of masculine and feminine. And here I have an announcement for my fellow teachers. Along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Right? Yes, my dear students, now pause the video and write the feminine of these masculines in your book. Pause the video, enjoy the activity. Yes, dear students, are you done with it? It was easy. I know you are smart. It was easy for you. So let's move on, and it's time for your homework. Write masculine naming words or feminine naming words of the following naming words. Yes, my dear, now I tried to give you a little challenging homework. How you are supposed to do? First, you will read the naming word. You will find either it's masculine or feminine. So if it's a masculine, you will write its feminine naming word, and if it's a feminine, you will write its masculine naming word. So in this way, first you will identify the gender of the naming word, and then you will write its feminine or masculine, right? Can you do it? Yes, you are smart. So this is your homework. Again, I'm going to give you a worksheet. It's very interesting. A puzzle has been given to you and a word bank has been given to you. What you are supposed to do, you will read this naming word and you will try to find out the other naming word, like it's loin, it's masculine. You will find it's feminine, that's your loiness. First, you will circle it. And if it's a feminine, what you are supposed to do? For feminine, you will find it and you will color all these boxes pink, right? And for example, girl, it's a feminine naming word. You will find it's masculine, that's your boy. You will circle it and you will color these boxes blue. Is it interesting? Yes. I hope you are going to enjoy this. My dear teachers, along with this video lecture, this worksheet, PowerPoint presentation, lesson plan is given in the link. Click it, download it, and give a printed worksheet to my children to practice. And I hope my children are going to love it because it's finding, it's coloring, so you are going to have different activities in one worksheet. So do practice it and keep practicing. So what we have learned today, we understood the concept of gender of naming words from immediate environment, and we elaborated the concept with pictures. So in this way, we achieved our SLO, that is to identify gender of naming words from immediate environment, masculine and feminine. Are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow again I'll come with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.